Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to prioritize your tasks on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Use your Touch ID or passcode to log into your account, and click on the second option down below, which is the calendar option. Tap on one of your tasks that you would like to prioritize, and now click on this flag icon in the right side of the screen and select from these 3 or 4 options. The fourth one is no priority, but if you want to select its priority, tap on the relevant ones such as low priority, medium priority, or high priority. If you go back and tap on the other one, you can set it, for example, to medium priority and the other one to another level. So the level of priority will be indicated by the color of the checkbox icon. So high priority is always red, medium priority is yellow or orange, and the low priority is always blue. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.